Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change idle opacity of the AssistiveTouch on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So, if you wanna... on every iPhone, sorry. If you want to change the idle opacity, so it means the opacity of the AssistiveTouch when it's still, like you're not using it, maybe you want to have it more visible or less visible, you want to go to the settings, then, then you want to go to the accessibility, no, not wallpaper, accessibility, then you want to go to the touch, then go to the AssistiveTouch. Once you are here, swipe down a little bit, you're going to find idle opacity. And now if you swipe, let's maybe move it to the left to let me show you how it works. Now it is toggled, now it is not toggled. As you can see, you can have it like 100%, so the most visible, and if you go to the left you have it like 15%, it is almost invisible. But still you can see it definitely on your iPhone right now, even with the 15% idle opacity. So let's say I want to have it at 30 because I can still see through it. And now, as you can see, everything I can see through the AssistiveTouch icon itself. So again, how to get to those settings, let me go back. Open settings, then go to the accessibility, then go to the touch, then swipe down, go to the AssistiveTouch, swipe down, and here you have the idle opacity. So once you choose the right for you, just go back, and now it is going to be with the amount that you have set. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!